Introducing the Waikiki II, not just any swimming pool, but an embodiment of modern design and innovation. Imagine a rectangular pool, but with a twist. By gracefully bowing out the middle, we've magnified the swim space while giving it a chic modern vibe. Dip into its refreshing waters and feel the difference. Those curvy walls aren't just for looks, they noticeably expand your swim paradise. And for those who like a touch of sophistication, consider adding an elegant water feature. It's a sight to behold. Considering some poolside relaxation? This model effortlessly complements patio furniture. And for the practical-minded, its design is ideal for an automated pool cover. No hassles, just pure joy. Whether you're an intermediate swimmer or someone who enjoys a leisurely dip, the Waikiki II is for you. It's not just a pool, it's an experience we believe you'll cherish. We certainly do. Contact us to get in touch with one of our dealers. We'd love to give you a free estimate today. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.